Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to download and install Roblox on any PC or laptop. Whether you are running Windows 10 or Windows 11, I have got you covered. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, like the video and subscribe to the channel. First of all, open your web browser and visit roblox.com. On this page, if you don't have an Roblox account, then use this form, fill the details and follow on-screen instructions to create the account. And if you have the account already, just hit login in the top right corner. Enter the credentials. Once you are logged in, click on any game that you want to play. For this video, let's play this one. Now you will see the big blue play button. Click it. Since you don't have Roblox on your PC, you will see this dialog. Click on download Roblox button. Instantly Roblox installer will start downloading. And in the background, you will see the installation instructions as well. Alternatively, you can visit this Roblox download page and click on download Windows App. And this will get you the same Roblox installer setup file. Just run any of the file and the Roblox installer will start doing its thing. Once installation completes, you will be asked to enter your account credentials once more. This screen will appear when you're running the Roblox player for the first time on the PC. After you are logged in, open the game, click on the play button and you are done. Next time you click on the play button for the game in Roblox, the game will automatically open in the Roblox player on the PC. Or you can directly open Roblox Windows App to play the game if you don't want to open it from the web browser. And that's it. This is how to download Roblox on PC. If you have any query related to this video, feel free to ask in the comments. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.